This is a quick intro to Anka Run solution for developing iOS application in local consistent environments. One of the most frequently seen issues impacting iOS developer productivity when they are part of a team working on multiple iOS projects is when their code commits fail in builds. Troubleshooting such an issue, especially with a multi project team, is equivalent to finding needle in a haystack. It could be due to mismatch in application specific dependencies, global dependencies, working in different Xcode versions, environment variables, and various other environment related factors. With Anka Run, it's possible to package iOS development environments in a container like entity called Anka Virtual Machines with all the dependencies and run them locally on the developer machine. This way, developers can build and test against these environments before pushing their code upstream, irrespective of what their machine is configured with. Let me show you a quick demo of how this works. The scenario is as follows. I am starting to explore and work in Xcode 9 beta, which just came out, while at the same time continuing to develop my existing project in Xcode 8 for releases. Working on a project in Xcode 9 beta version, which I just downloaded from my developer account. I'm exploring the new SDKs that are available for iOS, tvOS, while at the same time working on a current project, Swifty.json, and I took this as an example. I can now continue to do active development, build and testing against this project, which is compiled and released on Xcode 8, while at the same time exploring Xcode 9 and its capabilities. So I am going to download an Anka VM for this project, which is pre-packaged with all the dependencies on my local machine. And this is the VM PRJ1 build, which has all the dependencies. And I can then, without changing context, continue to do build and testing for this project against Xcode 8 by using this Anka virtual environment. So I'm going to use Anka Run for that. Run a build against this project utilizing the Anka virtual machine environment. This will take few seconds, but I'm going to be running a bunch of build and test as part of this command. And once all of that is complete, I have verified my project and my code changes against the current released Xcode 8 project setup, which is what is part of my CI pipeline upstream, and I can commit my changes while at the same time continuing to work on and exploring Xcode 9 on my developer machine. That was a quick demo of one of the scenarios. For additional information, you can go to Veertu.com and download the Anka beta version as well as visit our documentation to get more details.